friends, welcome to Swaratwa's Corner. Today I am going to show you how to make rakhi. Let's get started. First we need a small piece of cardboard. After that, take a thing of circle shape and draw an outline of it with sketch pen or a pencil. Now we have drawn the circle. Now let's cut it. We have got our cutted circle and keep it aside now. After that, take 5 pistachio shells. Now let's paint it. Paint it using acrylic colors. Now take Fevicol and apply the Fevicol to the side corners of the pistachio shells, like I am showing. Now stick it in a flower shape. This is our first pistachio. Now others like that only. See, I have made the flower shape with the pistachios. Now adjust it according to the shape. And allow it to dry. Now, as we can see, it is completely dried and is looking very nice. Now we have to decorate it. Take some circles of glitter paper, or you can also use birds, and stick it to decorate the flower or the rakhi. It's looking beautiful than before. Now allow it to dry. The glue has dried completely. Take an earbud and dip it in color whichever you like. Now make a design from it, circle designs. To make it look more beautiful. Woolen thread. If you want, you can also use ribbon. See to that you are putting it in same length. Now tie a knot in one of the sides. Do the same at the other side also. Now take our flower and stick it with the woolen strands with the help of a tape. stick a little more sellotape so that it doesn't come out. And finally, our Raksha Bandhan Rakhi is ready. It is looking very beautiful, right? So please do make it at your home.